In this video, I'll show you how to sync Outlook calendar on your iPhone. It's quick and easy, and by the end of this video, your Outlook events will show up right inside your iPhone's calendar app. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the last and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down and find the Calendar app and tap on it. Click on Calendar Accounts and select Add Account. From the list of options, choose Outlook. Now, sign in using your Outlook email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll see a screen asking what you want to sync. Make sure the calendar toggle is turned on. Then tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Now, open your calendar app. Your Outlook calendar events should start appearing under the calendars in just a few moments. Ensure Outlook calendar events are selected. If you don't see them immediately, ensure your internet connection works. You can also restart or refresh the calendar app to force the sync. Your Outlook calendar is now synced with your iPhone. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.